what is the value of n from this given beautiful math exponential problem? N raised to power 3 minus n is equal to 210. Then we have the given equation n raised to power 3 minus n is equal to 210. Now let's test if n is equal to 3. Is it going to be equal to 210? This is 3 raised to power 3 minus 3. This is not equal to 210. If n is equal to 4, we have 4 raised to power 3 minus 4. This is not equal to 210 because 4 raised to power 3 is 64 minus 4. That is 60. Now, if n is equal to 5, now we have 5 raised to power 3 minus 4. This is not equal to 210 because 5 raised to power 3 is 125. Then if you subtract 4, it's not equal to 210. Let's see if n is equal to 6. Is it going to equal to 10? This is 6 raised to power 3 minus 6. This will be equal to 210. That is 6 raised to power 3 is 216 minus 6. That is 210. Now our equation is n raised to power 3 minus n is equal to 210. Let us bring this 210 to this side. This is n raised to power 3 minus n minus 210 is equal to 0. Now we can now replace this 210 by 6 raised to power 3 minus 6. This is n raised to power 3 minus n minus bracket 6 raised to power 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. N raised to power 3 minus n. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 6 raised to power 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's pair this to this and this with this. This is n raised to power 3 minus 6 raised to power 3 minus here it will be n, then minus 6 bracket here is equal to 0. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have negative multiplied by n. You are going to get this negative n back, and then negative multiplied by negative 6, you are going to get this plus 6 back. Now this is if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Then where a is equal to n and b is equal to 6, the whole of this can be written as n minus 6 bracket n square plus 6n plus 6 square, then minus n minus 6 is equal to 0. N minus 6 is here, n minus 6 is here. Let's factor it out. N minus 6 bracket. If you divide the whole of this equation side by n minus 6, this is n square plus 6n plus 6 square, that is 36. Minus, if you divide this n minus 6 by this n minus 6, that is 1, is equal to 0. Then n minus 6 bracket n square plus 6n plus 36 minus 1, this is 35, is equal to 0. Then there are two cases here. The first case is n minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 6. This is the first value of n. And here, n square plus 6n plus 35 is equal to 0. Then for this to be real, discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, must be greater than 0. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, B is equal to 6, and then C is equal to 35. Discriminant D is equal to C squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 35. Discriminant D is equal to C squared 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 35. That is 140. D is equal to 36 minus 140. That is minus 104. But this is less than 0, and this is rejected. The only solution we want is the real solution here, which is n is equal to 6. Then n is equal to 6. This is the only real solution that we have, which is the true solution. Then we may check to confirm if this solution is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. N raised to power 3 minus n is equal to 210. Then we have 6 raised to power 3 minus 6 must be equal to 210. 6 raised to power 3, that is 216, minus 6 must be equal to 210. And of course, 216 minus 6, this is 210, is equal to 210, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.